welcome back. We're out in the garden doing a quick update on our DIY pallet garden. You can check out my first video of it. I'll put a link up top here. So we're on day 10 and we were doing a little competition between steer manure and chicken manure. Well, I definitely am shocked and amazed. I thought for sure our chicken manure was gonna win the race. Just knowing how it's a little higher in nitrogen, tends to run a little bit hotter than steer manure. Well, let's just say it's proven me wrong. The steer manure is totally kicking booty. All right, Allie, come on in. Let's give them a sneak peek at what's going on.
Okay, so in my first video, the DIY pallet garden one, we showed how up front here, we did the steer manure up front, and in the back bed, we did the chicken manure. This is my lettuce, and as you can see, the up front bed with the steer manure is definitely pulling ahead and kicking butt. Now, all of this was planted on the same day, the same depth. Everything has been exactly the same. And let's go over here and look at the spinach. So here's the steer manure spinach. And as you can see, it is up probably at least a couple of inches up here in the steer manure. That is just amazing. And take for granted, this is only day 10, you guys. Basically 7 to 10 days they needed to germinate, and it has done it. Here is the spinach with the chicken manure. So you can see it's coming up, but it's definitely not as good as that steer manure is doing. So let's just say my bet would have been wrong, because I thought for sure it was going to be chicken manure. This is just awesome. We are going to have some vegetables here soon that we're going to be eating.
Well, that sums it up for you guys on day 10 of our DIY garden experiment. So we're gonna keep an eye on this, and in another week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm gonna come back out and I'm gonna give you guys another update and see if the steer manure is still winning the race. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I think I'm learning a little bit too. I might just start using steer manure if this is how things are gonna turn out. So thanks you guys for watching, and have a nice day.